started to not so okay. Yeah, I don't know. Oh my god, it looks so weird, you guys. Can you see that? Yeah, it looks so weird. So maybe I will just start the laundry first. It's already, I don't know if you can see, but let's see. It's already 11:20 in the morning. So yeah, I slept super late last night. I don't know why, but we watched a movie and then, I don't know. Yeah, I'm so super late. In the meantime, I will just start the laundry and or make some breakfast. So I'll see you later. Konnichiwa, minasan. It's time check. It's 2:45 or it's 2:45 in the afternoon. And today it doesn't feel so cold. Feels so weird because it feels like spring is almost ending. Right?
No, it's not ending. It's already winter. It's already winter.
No, the feeling. I mean what? I mean the feeling.
Okay.
The feeling. Yeah, today feels like we are already done with spring and it's almost summer. But I'm still wearing this. Supposedly at this time we will be wearing very thick jackets and all those scarves and some beanies on the head, but no, it's not happening right now. I don't know how many degrees today.
I think it's
around 20. Oh, for December. Oh my gosh, why? I don't know. Global warming, I know. But today we are heading to the gas station because we want to do some car washing. So this is my outfit. I still pretty look wintry because I'm wearing this one because I have a cold, but it's not that really cold at all. Yeah, if you are going to compare it, the last Decembers that we've been through, it was so freaking cold. Mostly first week of December it starts to snow, but it's already mid-December and I haven't seen any snow yet. Wow. Oh my gosh, can you see my look for today, guys? This is going to be my New Year. Oh, sneak peek. But yeah, this is going to be my New Year's Eve look. Today I'm trying this one if it looks okay or not, but yeah, so far it looks so fine. It looks pretty actually. So yeah, we are now at the gas station. So I'll just see you later, guys. Oh, I'll be showing to you what's inside the car wash. Yeah. That sounds so weird, but yeah, let's see you later. So there's still someone ahead of us, so we need to wait. Yeah. So that car was over and now it's our turn. Yeah, this one only costs 300 yen. Kinda cheap. Rather go here than to wash your own car because it's much convenient. It's just 300 yen. It's just like, drinking coffee or drinking Coke or chewing a gum, because gum costs around 100 something yen. So it's just 300 yen.
What's up, man? All tanan.
Nani? Let's see. Puso. I think that one is one car after stop all. So this where the problem goes now. Which one to choose?
Stop, diba?
Yeah, he's starting na. Why am I calling the machine his? Is that a boy or a girl? Oh yeah, here comes the big, what's that called? I cannot see it because it's blurring the oh my god, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Feels different.
Oh yeah, it's raining. This is how you do rain in the movie. I feel like the car is moving, but actually it's the machine that it's moving. It feels so weird right now. Ihas lang ba, no? Here's the car. It's pretty clean already compared to the... It's a little clean compared to when we left. It looks so freaking dirty. So yeah, that's a car. It's from Nissan, zero emission. Hi, so this is my friend, Nell Rose. She's so pretty, right? So cute. So she will be leaving tomorrow for the Philippines. Oh my gosh.
Bye. Long time no see.
Yeah, she haven't been to the Philippines for like 4 years? 5 years. More than 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, so I think she's pretty much excited to go home. Yeah, are you excited? 100%. You look here. That's the camera. OMG. Kukunin mo ito.
Tara, madali ako. Focus. Buangit mo. Kuya, ano magikan?
Wala, we're mad to pa mag-outfit. So, we'll see you later, guys. We'll just chika-chika for a while. Done with the Daiso. Because she is waiting for us to...
Yeah, but wabi siya sa in.
Oh, machigayo. Lula, you're not supposed to be there. That's supposed to be out. Right there. So we're done. Bye, Daiso. See you next time. See you next year. I hope. It's 4:23. Time check, and it's getting dark now. So I saw this Tropicana coconut water from Daiso, and I wanted to try it because I don't know when was the last time that I drank coconut water, but I hope that it tastes good. Let's try. Yeah, it tastes like coconut water, but it tastes...
Water side.
I know, there's something different.
Can I try?
But it tastes good. You try. But it tastes good. Wow, busin mo na. So what's your verdict?
That's not coconut water.
It
Coconut
tastes like...
water is different.
It tastes like what kind of... There's something. It tastes...
There's something in it.
It tastes...
Like strawberry.
Yeah.
Strawberry or something.
It tastes like strawberry. Honestly, it's not coconut at all. Weird. Bah, uwishi ko nai. Uwishi ko nai. Uwishi kedo demo. Wakarang. Uwishi ko nai. It's not... It doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste good too. So, yeah.
It means that doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste coconut.
Yeah,
water.
it doesn't
So,
taste like coconut at all. Yeah, I was expecting
something
that.
near like strawberry juice or something like that.
You, Tropicana, you are fooling us. This is not coconut.
Because that's cheap. It's just how much? Ako yan?
No, it's not cheap. If you go to Valor, it drinks only cost 78 yen, yo. This one is 108 yen.
Still cheap.
It's not cheap at all. So this is my dinner. Gyoza. Chocolate tart. Wow, this is look so looks so delicious, looks so fancy. I hope it's delicious. And also Cheetos with milk tea. And his is already done.
It's karaoke.
Ano na?
Koroke.
Koroke. Squash koroke. So, itadakimasu! Look how nice this chocolate tart, you guys. Makes me not wanna eat it. I just wanna look at it. Stupid. Let's eat it. My gosh, it tastes so good. Oishii. Hontou ni oishii. Hey guys, so tomorrow will be Monday and I will be going back to work again tomorrow, and to be honest, I don't feel so well still. I still keep on sniffing and sneezing, and as you can see, my nose is already pretty red right now because I still have the cold. I still have some irritation, so I don't know when will this be gone, but I just hope that everything is fine, all well. But let's see, because I cannot skip work anymore because it's been 2 weeks already since I haven't gone to work. Oh my gosh, most probably they will oh so yeah, I guess that's just all it for today, and I wanted to say good night now, and I do hope that you had a blessed and wonderful day as always, and be sure to keep safe and keep healthy, drink lots of vitamins, vitamin C and water, and stay warm during this season because it's kind of cold. It's not that cold, and the weather and the weather is just so confused lately. It's cold, it's not cold, it's cold, it's warm, it's cold, it's warm. So that's why everybody's been getting sick. So yeah, I hope you had a blessed day as always, and keep safe always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Good night. Uyasumi nasai. Love you guys. Peace.